그리고 때리는 세게. Everybody, everybody, Johnny.
I see all the twinkling stars.
Good evening. Right here, underneath the starlit sky, a timeless adventure is about to unfold. Inspired by the magic makers, heroes, and dreamers who have come before. Now, unleash your heart, let your imagination fly, and discover just where you'll go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
You can fly.
Come on, everybody, here we go! There it is, Wendy. Second star to the right and straight on till morning.
The ninth wonder of the universe! The wildest only flying elephant! Dumbo!
You're flying. You're flying.
Wait till we get to the big town!
Adventure up there. The wilderness must be explored.
My name is Doug. I just met you, and I love you.
Dante, you are a real spirit guide. Who's a good spirit guide? You are. Whoa.
I want to learn the ways of the Force and become a Jedi like my father.
You've taken your first step into a larger world. That's no moon. It's a space station.
All wings report in. Red 5 standing by.
Coming in, point 3.
Watch that crossfire, boys.
force is strong with this one.
You're all clear, kid. Now let's pull this thing and go home.
The force will be with you, always.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion. Baymax, wings, thrusters. Flying makes me a better healthcare companion.
Hey, you know what? There's another name you might know me by.
Star-Lord.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Dance off, bro.
Come on, Drax. Dance.
There are two types of humans in the universe. Those who dance and those who do not.
I'm gonna die surrounded by the biggest idiots in the galaxy.
Did that look cool?
Yeah, that looked cool.
To infinity and beyond.
Remember, there's no limits to how far you can go when you have dreams that soar.